All right, this is your last video today to help you finish up your research about Christopher Columbus for our practice. So you're trying to fill out the rest of this page because you don't have enough information from the article that we read today. So you're going to want to use some verified sources. So here in Schoology, you'll see a new folder that says Day 5 to 7 of European Exploration. It's right here at the bottom of our Unit 4 folder underneath Day 4. If you click on it, you will see that right now it only has our resources in it. Later it will have some pieces to our project, but right now we just need to practice with the resources. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. I'm going to find Spain, since Christopher Columbus, although he was Italian, sailed for Spain. So in here I have some PDFs, which are articles. I have some links. One is a video that is 3 minutes long, and one is a database from the Mariners Museum. These are different explorers, so I'm not really interested in them. I could use this transatlantic slave trade. I'm going to probably guess that that's a really good source for the impacts of Christopher Columbus's exploration. I also have a textbook excerpt, so a piece of our textbook that tells me about Spanish and Dutch exploration, so that's going to be a good overview. And then I have a video and then this database. I'm going to click on the database because that's probably going to lead me to a bunch of different things I can use. So when I click on it, it opens me up this Ages of Exploration video, or not video, database here about the Mariners Museum. I can cite this source in my in-text citations, my practice ones, by just saying, according to the Mariners Museum database, and I can find an article here on Christopher Columbus. I'm going to click on Explorers. And then I'm just going to look through. They have them alphabetically, so I'm going to click on Christopher Columbus. And here it tells me some quick facts about him, introduction, some biography, about his voyages or the trips they took, and his death. So, and then his legacy. So I would want to make sure that I included information from this website on the rest of my research. When you're citing it, remember you can just shorten the title to the Mariners Museum database. So you're going to want to use whatever resources you can find. There'll probably be some extras in this folder than this when you guys are accessing it to fill out the rest of your sheets. When you are done filling out your practice research about Christopher Columbus, you're going to hand that in so we can look over it before we start our project next class. All right. Get busy.